Hi, in front of me I have the AirPods first generation and the Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm gonna show you how to connect the AirPods manually on your Apple Watch. So let's grab the Apple Watch and unlock him. Then we have to move to our case and open it, and right now we have to swipe up with the bottom of the screen and scroll down, enter here, and as you can see, now we can just go with Galaxy Buds or the AirPods, and of course we are going for the AirPods, so click on it. And yeah, this is how you manually connect the AirPods to your Apple Watch. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, leave thumbs ups, and of course subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.